Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete Google Photos duplicates. First, open your Google Photos app. Here, you might find some duplicate photos. Next, open your web browser on the Google Photos website. Once you are on the website, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Photos. Now upload a photo that is identical to the one you already have. To do this, click the arrow button at the top right on the screen. After uploading, tap on Photo Library. Choose the identical photo and hit Add. Google Photos will check if the photo is a duplicate. Google Photos will not create a duplicate if the photo, including all its details, is exactly the same as an existing one. Google Photos automatically deletes exact duplicates, but it does not remove photos that are very similar but not identical. For these, you need to delete them manually. Browse through your photos to find similar ones. Select the similar photo you want to delete. Tap the trash can icon and hit Move to Bin. Be careful about using third-party services to detect duplicates. These services often require your Google login, which can put your account security at risk. It is safer to manage duplicates manually within Google Photos. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.